Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Anis and today we'll be working inside Tyflow and we'll be working with splines that will be traveling along a path with particles. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to want to create firstly a sphere. Let's give this about 50 here, that should be fine. Yep, that's good. Then we're going to want to add a Tyflow. And next thing we're going to want to do is create our line. So we need our particles to go across a path. So let's go. Let's get to the modify, vertex, and now what we can do, we can manipulate these to give it a bit more of an interesting form. So let's do that. Keep that down, yeah, it's fine. Yep, perfect. Maybe let's move these guys out this way. And let's just get rid of that one, just to see how that goes for now. Okay, now that we've got that settled, let's grab our Tyflow and open our editor up. Okay. So first thing we're going to want to do is birth our product. We got that there. And we're going to change the start and end to 0. 200's fine. Let's leave that as that. And then we're going to want to grab position object. There it is. And we're going to want to pick it. And we're going to pick that. So we don't want the original sphere to be shown. So let's go object parameters. We don't want it renderable. And we just want it to display as a box. There we go. And those guys are what we're after. Okay, so now that we got that, what we're going to want to do is we need to make these objects into shapes. So let's grab shapes. And we're going to change it from 2D to 3D. And we're going to look for spheres in high res. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to want to change the now we're going to have to add the path. There it is, path. So these particles are going to have to flow along a path. We're going to have to pick the path, and that's this. So let's just quickly see what that happens. So as the particles go straight off to the side, they're going a bit too quick, so we need to slow them down. So let's slow them down, see what happens. Yeah, so as you can see, they eventually do come back, but they are still quite rebellious. So what we're going to do is on the slow tab, we're going to increase that to 10. See how that goes. Perfect. That looks a lot more fluid. Okay, now that we've got that all sorted, we could also for the path. Reduce that to give it a no, I liked it better the other way. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, and that's good. We're going to grab the spline path that we mentioned earlier. Throw that in there. And we're going to create new, and it's going to stay on trajectories. Okay, so let's see how that goes. And there we have it. That's how we create a spline path using our particles. And thanks for watching, guys.